Namaste and welcome, dear Changemaker. You are here today for a reason. Maybe you have felt the pull to teach more, but tech, marketing, and the fear of failure held you back. What if I told you there is a simpler way? A gentle funnel, so intuitive, it starts with just a WhatsApp message and leads to a webinar that sells without selling. Take a deep breath. Now imagine your ideal learner reading your message on their phone, nodding, smiling, curious. That moment, it's the start of your fun, and you didn't even spend 100 rupees on ads. Segment 1, Understanding the pain. You may have tried everything: posting on Instagram, creating reels, writing blogs, but no real engagement. You have invested time, you have spent money, you have hoped, and yet your inbox is silent. What's missing? A structured journey, a simple path that helps your audience go from stranger to student, one message at a time. Segment 2, the WhatsApp magic. Let's decode the first step. Open your WhatsApp. That's your gateway. Send one clear voice note daily. One tip, one insight, one reflection that solves your learner's real pain. Keep it real, keep it you, and watch the magic unfold. Engagement, questions, trust. You don't need a landing page yet. You don't need fancy email automation. You just need connection. And WhatsApp delivers that instantly. Segment 3, the webinar flow. Once trust is built, invite them to your mini masterclass. Not a pitch fest, not a sales trap, just a sacred space where you educate, inspire, and elevate. Use this flow. Introduce with a story. Address 3 key pain points. Give one actionable solution. Share your offer as a next step, not a push. Speak to their fears, but lead with belief. Segment 4, your first funnel blueprint. Let me give you a ready to implement funnel. Number 1. Instagram DM or LinkedIn post stating comment guide to receive a free WhatsApp tip series. Number 2, WhatsApp daily voice notes. 3 to 5 notes till 3 to 5 days. Number 3, invite to your live webinar via Zoom or StreamYard. Number 4, at end, offer your silver membership or coaching. Number 5, use a Google form or WhatsApp call to action to close the sales. This funnel needs no big team, no big tools, just you, your voice, your truth. Number 5, the anchor. Right now, press your right thumb and middle finger together. This is your funnel focus anchor. Every time you feel distracted, overwhelmed, or unsure, come back to this gesture and say silently, I lead learners to light, one message at a time. Again, I lead learners to light, one message at a time. Let that be your mantra. If today's episode gave you clarity, share it with 3 fellow educators or professionals. Take a screenshot and tag me at sneh.malhotra2609 in the Instagram. And remember, funnels don't fail. We just forget to follow the learner's heart. Until next time, stay inspired, stay aligned, and take that Edupreneur leap, where purpose meets digital power.